That didn't work. Suckers.
Wait. Oh, dang it.
You suck, Davis. You can't make it pop. You should try throwing it like straight down or
I don't
something.
want it to blow up on me.
Oh my goodness. Is it leaking?
Hold on a second.
Oh, no. That sucker's really hard to pop.
Yeah, it is.
I expected it to pop a lot easier. That makes me feel better. Ugh. That's that's gross.